Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Hello friends, welcome to kushtech. I'm back again with another video. So guys, today I'm going to unbox the best budget wireless earphones with calling features. So guys, before starting our video, please hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you will never miss any update from my side. Now let's start our video guys. First of all, let's see the features of these earphones. Product by Drumstone. This is a very lightweight earphone and have a battery capacity of 4 hours. Wireless connection range is up to 10 meters and it has also a LED indicator. Now guys, let's unbox it and let's see what are the box contents we will get with these earphones. So guys, this is the main package of the box. So guys, this is the box which contains our earphone. Let's unbox it. Let's keep this box aside and look at our earphones. So guys, this is the main box which contains our smart earphones, wireless earphones. Let's unbox it and see what are the box contents we will get with these earphones. So guys, as you can see, first there is a USB cable for charging purpose. The pin looks like old Nokia charger. So guys, this is our Bluetooth earphone. As you can see, it is a very lightweight earphones. We have also get a LED indicator here and the charging point is here. Press for 10 seconds to turn on the device. As you can see, the LED indicator. So guys, for connecting this device with your smartphones, first you have to turn on this device by pressing the button. And now open your Android device and turn on Bluetooth on your Android devices. Now press to connect with earphones and yeah, you are connected. The price of this earphone is just approx 300 rupees. Thanks for watching friends. Please like, share, comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe. Please hit that red box on my channel. Thank you friends.